Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a project share for you. I've made some Easter cards using some dies. Now these dies are from a company called InLoveArtShop, and I will have product links listed down below in the description box. And as always, I appreciate when you shop using my links, as I do receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Now you can use the code Melissa25 to save 25% off your order. So here's a look at the 3 cards that I've made using these adorable dies. So I'm going to hold these up one by one and give you a show here. So check out these cute little rain boots. I've made a little bunny here, and I have a little epoxy circle. I'm going to show you what I use to make each of these in just a moment, but I first wanted to show you the cards. Look at this cute little bunny popping out of the tree. I love that tree. And then this one, cute little Easter bunny ears there sticking out of a pocket with a carrot. So let's start looking at the dies that I used to make all of these. Now this die right here, let me move these over. So for this first card with the boots, I love the boots, I used the bunny in boots cutting die. So you can see here there's a couple boots. So there's the boots I used. Now there's the bunny tail and the little feet and the bottom of the bunny here. So it's called Bunny in the Boots. And you also have an Easter basket you can use, some eggs. Now this right here, this little epoxy circle, this was fun. I love these. These are from Photo Play, and it's really nice. You just cut out a circle using a circle die, use a stamp, and stamp this over. Now the stamp that I use, this is from scrapbook.com, and it's their mini circle sentiments. I stamped Happy Spring, but there's also Hey There, Hello Friend, Happy Birthday, Thanks so much, love you always, you're the best, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Fun in the Sun, Happy Fall y'all, Hello Winter, Happy Halloween, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Now the paper I used is new. This is from Brutus Monroe, and this is called Easter Egg. This is a 6x6 paper collection. There's 12 patterns and there's 4 of each, so I really like that. So there's 24 sheets in this paper pad. So that is the paper that I used to make this cute card. All right, so let's look at the next card. Now this one, I used this die here to cut the pocket and then the ears, and there's also Happy Easter on here. This is called the bunny ear pocket cutting dies. And then for this one, I also used this word die from scrapbook.com called Hip Hop Hooray. You get Hip Hop Hooray and Happy Easter for the word die. So I think this one turned out super cute. All right, now for this next card, this one I think might be my favorite. I used this tree house cutting die, and let me grab it here. So here's the treehouse cutting die, and then you can see this treehouse cutting die, it comes with some cute little animals that you could of course stick in the tree, so you could use this for a variety of occasions. So it's the treehouse cutting die, but I thought it'd be cute with these bunnies. And you could pop these bunnies out on so many different things, but I thought they looked cute popping out of the little tree. So you can see here, you get all the little paws, several different bunnies. You get a carrot. And, oh, you know what? That carrot, I forgot to show you that, is the one that I used. This die is called Bunny and Carrot with Word, but that's the carrot I used on that other card there. And then for the little branches or the little leaves, I used this die, and this is from the Carrot and Cute Bunny series. And this one has some cute little bunnies. I didn't use the bunnies on these cards, but I did use the those leaves there. And I thought they just looked perfect popping out of that tree like that. And then the word Easter Wishes, that was on that Bunny and Carrot with Word. So if you've never ordered from InLoveArtShop, they have some super cute dies and they are very inexpensive. So I do have a link listed down below. Again, you can use my code Melissa25 for 25% off of your purchase. Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know which card is your favorite. And if you do end up purchasing these dies, leave me a comment and just let me know. I would love to send you an Easter card as a thank you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay tuned, there's some screenshots of these cards, and feel free to screenshot them for some Easter card inspiration that you can scrap lift. Thanks so much, have a good one. Bye.